today, but I decided he wasn't going to go today, so now we're just going with him to his film set. They're going to be doing a quick scene, and we just went to the park, and she was crying because she didn't want to come out, but she had to. So after we do the film stuff, we're going to go out for lunch somewhere. We might go to a Nigerian restaurant. Ready? Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. It's ducks. Go in. You can do it. Good girl. Yay! Happy dance! Are you gonna push me? Wee! Niece, you're pushing? Are you pushing me? Io has gone to film his scene at the end of the other side of the park, and we are here just chilling because Canisia was crying. She didn't want to stay in the car, so I obliged and took her to the play area. Oh! Beep beep. Beep beep. Thank you. Go on. Keep going. No, go. Come, you can do it. Do you want to help? Do you want me to help you? Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Careful, give me a hand. Come. Come. Woo! Yeah, duckies. Duckies. Hello, duckies. Hello. This one. Nice. You gonna throw it in for the duckies? Wow! More? Ooh, wow! Careful! Wow! Oh, wow! You can't grab the cat. You have to say nice like this. Wait, come. Look, like this. Oh, you chased it away. You can't grab it. You're right, KK.
All the news for you is that don't time lapse of the chicken.
No lol. Of how you demolish it.
Like that.
is that? Wait. There's a bug. Dirty bug.